Hello Beauty Squad, it's your girl TeeTee. Welcome back to my channel of all things life, love, and beauty. I hope everyone is staying home and staying safe so we can get through and past this pandemic that is taking place right now. But please make sure, you guys stay safe and stay home. And in the process of staying home, we have been ordered to stay home even longer, at least up until May 15th, here in California. And as we know, only essential businesses are open. What's not considered an essential business is hairdressers. Hence my crazy looking hair right now. And I'll be the first to tell you, I don't know how I know how to do the basics. I can wash and condition my hair, but styling and anything else beyond that, it's just something that I absolutely cannot do. I've struggled with. My mother wasn't the best at combing hair when I was younger, and so here we are. And with this crisis going on right now, I had a weave in my hair, and it was time for it to come out, which I was going to give my hair a break anyway for a couple months before I decide either I was going to put it back in or just leave out my own hair. With Rona hanging around until May 15th, it has forced myself, like all of us, to kind of do our own hair. Here's where I am. I bought some products which I will share with you. And I tried to create a bun. I had to first try to figure out what type of hair I have. I figured that out too, and I'll share that with you as well. As I begin on this, do I dare say, natural hair journey. And I've always gotten my hair done, which means I've always gotten it pressed. I've never had a perm. I take that back. I had a perm when I was really, really young, but I've never had one since, I'm going to say, I was probably 10 years old. So that is long gone. But I've gotten my hair pressed and styled and all of that. Weaves, braids. I will say my hair is definitely diverse and can handle a lot of things. It can handle heat. It can handle water to a certain degree. The heat, I kind of say with, or we'll just take that with a grain of salt, because I definitely think all the years of the flat irons and the pressing, there's definitely probably some heat damage. And when I did this style, and yes, my grays are coming in, my hair didn't necessarily take to a couple of the products I was using because it's not used to being in its natural state for an extended period of time. So I decided I'm going to wash my hair again, and I'm going to attempt some twists. So you guys are going to join me on this natural hair journey. And I tell you, anyway, I was beginning to get tired of, I love my weave, and I love my girl who installs it for me, and the hair and all that. But I was getting tired of, the maintenance and the glue and all this. And I love braids. And, my natural hair is about shoulder length, and my hair is very healthy. But when you go the natural way or protective style, that is probably one of the better things, you can do for your hair. So do I, again, dare say, let me begin this natural hair journey. My hair is just pressed. There's no perm, nothing like that in my hair. You guys are gonna have to hold my hand through this process. Before we get into this new hair journey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you never know, maybe I'll start doing hair and makeup, because I've watched so many videos this week on hair that I think I could probably be a professional stylist at this point. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. I love to read your comments, and I can't wait to see how this is going to turn out and what your comments are going to be. So let's start this natural hair journey. Stay tuned. Lord help us. Help me. So as you see, I've started the process of just washing my hair. I forgot to bring the shampoo up with me, but I'm conditioning. I forgot that too. My hair right now, and you see I've got shrinkage in here. Not my actual hair length, because my real hair is about right to my shoulders, and this is how my hair looks wet. So it definitely holds on to water and moisture. So I guess that makes my hair high porosity, which is common. I guess I have type 4 hair. I think I'm gonna say probably somewhere between 4B and C, because I can never just be one. I'm always a combination something. Somewhere in between there. But this is what my hair looks like wet. I'm going to comb it out, rinse it, then I'll be back and add some leave-in conditioner, and I'll show everything that I have been using, and kind of give you some tips and things that I have discovered about my hair that I had no idea about. So hold on, I'll be right back. This is quite the experience for me, you guys. But here's what I use as far as shampoo and conditioner. I like Kenra products. And it's no sulfates in it, which is important, and it also is for fine thin hair, which is what I have, and I really like this. Kenra is really, this is the platinum version, so the set was pricey, I'm gonna say, for the most part. I don't remember, I bought it a little while ago, but it's the bomb. I like it. And then, but I washed my hair recently and left the shampoo version of this at my aunt's house. So I used this Diamond Shine shampoo that a girlfriend gave me, and it works just fine. It served its purpose. And so what I'm going to use for my leave-in conditioner, sort of like my heat protectant, because I am going to blow dry my hair, as I'm going to use the Shea moisturizer leave-in conditioner. I like Shea moisturizer or Shea Moisture. And, you know, I watch videos just like y'all do. And a couple girls, one girl I liked, she had a similar texture hair of mine, and she recommended this. I think 2 or 3 that I watched recommended this. I mean, there's so many out there. But this has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. That's all good in my book for me. So I am going to just apply this generously in my hair. And let's read the directions here first, because I'm big on reading directions. Work a generous amount of product into hair from additional product as needed, depending on hair and length condition. The condition of, my hair is in good condition. It's just so used to being, just having heat on it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna take a lot of this and work it in. And when I tell y'all, I can't tell you the last time I've washed my own hair. It's probably been over 20 years. It's just not something I'm good at, or even more so really want to do. It's probably more so I'm not good at it, and I don't want to do it. But now because of hairdressing, or that is not an essential business, I, like a lot of people, a lot of you, are definitely being forced to make do with your own. Now, I do have some things I can do myself. My nails, obviously. I have a pedicure spa kit I would use that periodically anyway, to do my own pedicures and things like that. But hair I just have not messed with. And with all the heat that I've done to my hair over time, it's being a little resistant to some of this, but we're gonna make it work. And who's to say, I might actually turn into a natural hair kind of girl. We'll see. Definitely something I've been thinking about for a long time. I'm definitely not the one that's going to cut my hair off completely and start over again. I'm not doing that. And maybe I would think that if my hair was permed or something like that, but I really don't see or feel the need for me to go that dramatic for me and chop it all off. And you see, I'm really trying to be generous with this here, and it actually, you know, has a good smell to it, and trying to protect, you know, my hair color. You know, my hair is going through a transformation right now, and not by choice. And I mean, my hair is pretty long. I've got some length to my hair, you can't tell. And what I was going to say is I have a bald spot, a small one right up here, right at the crown of my head, from just heating that pressing comb, hitting that spot, and just over time. I've tried everything to try to open up those hair follicles. So if you guys know of anything, please share with me, because the hair on top of my head right there is very, very thin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow dry my hair. I am then going to proceed to twist my hair. We're going to see how this is going to work. Because this is just an experience. It is, and I'm glad I'm going through this with you guys and not being alone. Stay tuned. There is more of Tanya doing her own hair to come. Lord Jesus, I need a drink. Okay, y'all. Making so much progress. I'm getting so proud of myself. I was able to blow dry my hair, and it really didn't tangle that much. That's one thing. I left the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, and I told you this is it was a Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. And then once I was done with that, I used this Biosilk Silk Therapy, just kind of like a leave-in protectant for your hair after blow drying. And so now I'm going to begin twisting out my hair. And to do that, I'm going to use the Dark and Lovely Au Naturel Anti-Shrinkage Curl Defining Cream Glaze. Recipe for all day elongation. Smells good. Almost smells like a strawberry custard or something along those lines. I don't know how long it's going to take me to do this, but what I will do is, and you see I have a part here, because that's kind of where I want my part to be. So I'm going to just do it in sections, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. Stay tuned. So here is my twist, and it took about, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. I mean, this stuff actually smells really good. It's mango oil and bamboo milk, and it has a texture similar to yogurt, and it smells really good. So I'm going to, of course, I got something for these edges, and let this dry overnight is what I'm going to do. We'll see how it's going to turn out. Tomorrow I'll put some makeup on. Could this be something new for me? I don't know, but I'm just as anxious to see as much as you all are. I'll have some final thoughts. Like I said, some makeup. And we'll be back. I'll see you guys soon. Hello, Beauty Squad, and welcome back. It is the next day after my wash, condition, dry, and then twist. They actually held up pretty good overnight. I'm actually surprised. I've tried to let them kind of hang and fall, and yeah, I'm gonna clean up these edges too. And I put some makeup on so we can get the full effect of what this is going to look like. So I am going to, I don't even know where to begin. I'm actually a little nervous. So I'm going to just take these down, and we'll see what happens. This is either going to be good or bad. or interesting to say the least. So yeah, let me proceed to take these down, and I'll come back with my final thoughts, and if I think this natural hair journey is even for for me. So stay tuned. Okay, so here we have the final product. Actually, you know, not bad for someone who does not do her own hair. Wash or style her own hair, and I did all of that. I don't know what I would do differently next time. I'm unclear on that, but this definitely puts me in the mode of definitely wanting to explore and do more with my hair, because I think I can. And as I've discovered in this process, my hair is type 4, somewhere between A and B, and which is coily, and it's fine. It's not really fragile, but it can be at times. Prone to breakage and needs moisture for sure. My hair is also high porosity, I discovered in this, which it absorbs moisture and it also loses moisture at the same time. Tangles, gets frizzy, and actually the ends normally come out frizzy, but this time they didn't. Yeah, so this is it. I'm going to order a couple of ponytails that I saw, because I definitely want to try that next. And I don't know about coloring my hair, because this is a custom color from my hairdresser. I tried to lay these edges down as much as I can. I used Cream of Nature Perfect Edges and some kinky curly styling gel, and you see my hair is really just retreating back, and I just don't want to put a lot of product on there. But this is it. Let me know what you guys think. I was nervous. I can't say what I was expecting, but it turned out better than I thought. I'm happy now that, you know, put a little makeup on too, and that has definitely helped. But let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna try some new things, and again, maybe I'll go the natural route. Only time will tell as I discover what products ideally work best for my hair type, and try to avoid as much heat on my hair as I possibly can. So comment below, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. This is a journey, and a new journey into territory I have never ventured into, but let's just see where it takes us, and I may find out that I'm probably a better hairdresser than I give myself credit for. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell so you know when my videos have been uploaded. This has truly been an experience on so many levels. But until next time, your girl TeeTee and her natural hair with no heat on it is out.